Hello, my name is Max. This is No Code Nerd, and today we're talking about Sparkloop. And Sparkloop is going to be really quick, but Sparkloop lets you, it's a referral tool for newsletters, right? Which means that if you have a newsletter and you want to advertise that newsletter and you want to let your subscribers advertise that newsletter for you, this just lets you do that. I love how niche and specific this tool is. If you have a newsletter and you have a community online via email, it lets you just create a referral program just like that. Everybody gets their own unique referral link. Everybody gets rewards for sending out your newsletter. And it's a way to scale an existing audience to another, like a larger audience of more people that you trust and are awesome, right? It's use your network to grow. It's so cool. And it's specifically for newsletters, which I think is just excellent. So yeah, very cool stuff. Absolutely love it. I'm excited to use this because I plan to try to grow some of my newsletters and some of my personal newsletter for No Code Nerd and Entrepreneur. So heck yeah, go check it the heck out. See you later. I'll see you in the next video with another cool tool. Bye.